No reason you can't attend as long as you're reasonably well behaved. Storage you offer these days. Now do the video show somewhere else. But this is our, which is a once a week, 1 hour science radio show. It's actually on, I don't know, 41, 42. Antonio, he was, well, as it says, co-founder of the tech company Qualcomm from down in Southern California. A very clever guy. I've met a lot of clever guys in my life, but Franklin Antonio was certainly one of the cleverest guys. And he got interested in SETI. Actually got interested because he heard about it on a radio show, believe it or not. And he joined the Institute. He put in some money, but he also provided a lot of technical expertise for the development of some of the equipment used at the Allen Telescope Array. Unfortunately, he passed away about 3 or 4 years ago. Kind of miss his contributions.